Quick video how to change the rear light in your Nissan Navara NP300. So if you've had a bit of an accident, don't worry, it's not a major job. We're going to show you how to do it. This is a reproduction light. One thing to note, depending where you live, you may have a fog light incorporated. Now you can buy a lamp with a fog light, or you can buy one, often they're cheaper, without the fog light and put a red bulb in. So we actually supply these on our website. We'll put the link below. And we supply it with a red fog bulb, but some countries have two reverse. In Europe you've got the fog on the left, in the UK we've got the fog on the right. So okay, right, so this light is held in with two screws on the side, two bolts, and then it's got these two little docking plungers there and there. You got that one here. So what we'll do, we'll undo those two bolts, then we've got to like yank it back, and we'll see how hard that is to do. Right then, what have I done with my socket? There. Alright, let me get this side. So you open the tailgate. We've got a load liner in, but it's still accessible. Some pickups have got the screws behind the load liner. It's a bit of a pain. Alright, so that's 10mm socket. How long is this bolt? There you go. He's got a nice little lead in, which makes it easy. Right then, whoa.
So we've got the light guards on ours, but these go onto the actual light themselves. If you're thinking ours look a little bit different to your standard lights.
So yeah, well, right, let's have a see how hard that is to pull. Right, I'm gonna surprise it. 1, 2, 3. Right, yeah. So often it's better to give it a little bit of a sharp tug. Right. So we've got the connector inside, so we've obviously got to disconnect that. If I spin that round. Now they normally have a little release, so see that little bit in the middle? I reckon we've got to push that little bit in the middle down. He says, oh yeah, he's got, and then pull. Come on. God, it's quite hard to get to. Let me have a little, let me use a key.
Sometimes you have to push the...
That's it. So yeah, you've got to push quite hard to get, because it's sort of protected by these little side flaps it's got. So you've got to get in, and that releases that little bit there. You can see that little slope that clips in when we clip the next one in. So that's that out. As you say, we've got the light guards, but don't worry about that. Seems like some lights have got a feature for an extra light at the bottom, but our UK ones aren't fitted with it. Everything looks the same there. Let's just have a quick look in, check everything looks the same. All looks the same. One thing to watch, sometimes they put the pins in the different connectors, but this has actually got all 6 pins populated. And interestingly, all 6 wires used, because often the one that you use at the bottom, the fog light one, sometimes goes to the wrong pin. But I'll just have a check on. So it looks like when you've finished with it, you're supposed to dock it in. See how it's docked in there?
Yeah, we've got that on this one.
We've got that on this one. I'm just trying to check which colour the blue one goes to. It goes to the far side in the middle, which is the same. Yeah. So let's reattach that the same way that one is, shall we? So the wire routes round here and goes into that. Go like that.
Yeah.
Yeah. And then
over there.
Now it looks like have they put this on the different way in? Have they done it to the side here? No, it looks the same. Let's dock that one on. That's it, go on. That's it. So if you dock that on there, that's how the light came, and it'll stop it rattling around.
So have we got all our bulbs in now? Are we ready for that?
Let's have a look, yeah, just check. Oh, no, we've got to put the red fog light bulb in. I'm getting all excited.
We haven't got any bulbs, so we need to swap our other bulbs over as well.
Right. Let's have it there. So these are going to twist. They've got 2 little ears on them.
45 or a 90-degree twist.
45.
These should be the same.
Right. Okay, now you get these. Sometimes you can pull the green wire to pull that back a bit, makes it a bit easier. Okay. Right, there we go. That's that one in. Right, I've clipped them in properly. I'll clip them in properly in a minute. That one. Now this one, you'll notice the legs are at different heights, so it'll only go in one way. So when you go to fit it, if it doesn't want to turn, try spinning it round there, and that'll go. So that's the trick to watch with that one. Alright, that one, get that one in, get that one in. Right, now the bottom one, in that one is white bulb.
So that's red lens with a white bulb, which will give you a red output. But we've got the white lens, which I think will actually look better because it will match the other side.
That'll suit your ADHD.
Yeah.
No, not ADHD. What's it?
OCD.
The other one, OCD. Right. Ugh. Who wraps these?
We packaged it too well, look. We don't want it breaking on the way.
Oh, come on, you little beauty. Right.
I think it's just the way you decided to unwrap that, to be honest.
I thought I'd get the big end out first. Right. Okay. So let's get that one in there. Right, all good. If I can get it into the right place.
Arrow.
We got an arrow? Normally these.
That's good. That way, is it?
I don't know. I think that one might be at the bottom. Let me have a look.
I don't know which way you took it out, to be honest.
I have to watch that video. It will go somewhere. There we go. Right, that's it. Right, we're all good. Let's have a look how that looks now. Plug him in and we're all good. So there we go. So we've got the red bulb in there. Come to the connector. Okay. There you go. You should click it in. Check he's tight. Offer him up. Push those in there.
A little bit more. I think your bottom's quite clicked in.
How's that?
Okay. That'll hold it in place.
There we go. Obviously and then just check all your lights before you go driving on the road. But that's the rear light replaced on the MP300 pickup truck. Good luck with that.